up these friends, Daisy here, and welcome back to another travel vlog. So guys, I'm with my boyfriend. We're here at JCAD Hotel Resort here in Bantayan. So today guys, I'm going to tour you around and we will see what they have here for us. Actually guys, they've actually opened last March lang guys, and we're very lucky na we're one of those people na maka-experience and ma-explore ni na lugar and a resort sa kanang wala pa jud siya na malmal jud sa mga tao. So yes guys, join us in this adventure and let's go. This is the only resort here in Bantayan na ay ni Waterpark guys. But ilang Waterpark, you can only use it during high tide for safety purposes of the kids na mga magkwandera. Ang rate na nila guys, ilang Waterpark is 250 pesos for adults and 200 pesos for kids during weekends. I'd like you to meet my big happy family. Hi guys! Say hi to the vlog! Nasa dito guys, since it's my post-birthday celebration, di ba, nag-celebrate tapos itong birthday sa Cebu, since namin dito. So, there are mga baon, lechon, and cake, and another cake, and dire, mga adobo, calamares, empanada, and everything, and tribaloo. So, mara to siya guys. So guys, kung mga familiar na mo sa mga naong guys, mora jud gihapon na yung mga naong marit sa Bantayan Island Nature Park. Oh, mora gihapon na sila guys.
Barkada na sila.
Mga barkada na sa mga mother.
Basta mga mother. Sa Islam, mo na nga mga naong inyo makita.
Oh, sila na gihapon ni guys.
Why na sagot?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Thank you. I'm 22.
What?
Thank you. Walang isang thank you plus please. Thank you plus ito eh. Thank you classmate. Atak na mo, atak! Sabring, yun na! Hey guys, so we're here sa kaning mga ano baby, table, small table nila dito sa my beach lang guys.
It's very cute.
Very cute.
As cute as my baby.
Hari lang may mag-kaon, mag-lunch.
Cause we've been down this road before. Oh, in the late night, in early morning.
Just done with our lunch and right now guys, nag-rest lang sa me and nag-picture.
Yes.
And ang family kay nasa likod, nag-chill lang. Grabe.
It's very hot guys.
Alimuot kayo.
Wala hangin dire guys. Buta sa napunta
And
hangin,
it's
punta
low
siguro.
tide. So nagbabot mi na mo taob sa siya kay para makaligo mi dito and maka-enjoy mi sa ilang water park. May yung tawag water world. So nasa dito yung mga picture.
Actually, mura siya water world. Kaya na mga slide-slide.
Oo, slide. Muna siyang version sa Bantayan Island. Kung wala po, dili pa mo makaadtog Cebu. So ari lang sa mo diri sa
Waterpark.
JCAD Resort. They also have a restaurant here guys.
Love connection ang tawag sa lang.
This is their
This is the
menu.
food that they offer here. They have fish casino for breakfast. Pusilog, mga kapag guys. Yan, side dishes.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side. It makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's
Mag-TikTok me. Mga TikTokers.
Koryo.
Ang sama ng koryo, be. Ang koryo?
Pasikati minit.
Sige. Pasikati me, be. Kira, 1, 2, 3, go. Da, 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 da.
Balik, lagot na ganun.
You and I think I was reckless, but we don't mind.
Balik.
We got one summer, so let's make it count.
So guys, nagsige na jud big TikTok no kay wala jud tubig, di mi kaligo. Sa oras man ang jud ni. Sa tipimpay.
Dili, ayan.
TikTok sabi TikTok. Oy, bandaw noy, unsa man ni oy. Ingon mag TikTok pa ta.
Wa may problema raw, mas katobe namin
TikTok,
driver. Diya maasay mo
Okay.
kayo maluyo.
Nice wood.
Lo. Uy.
Para nindot sa TikTok.
Gamay raman na, gamay raman.
So guys, I'm teaching my boyfriend how to pilot a drone.
Yes guys, because it's my first time and I hope that I'm gonna crash his drone. Drone.
Bogo. Buang ka. Drone, please come back, okay? And daddy pad. Dad pad.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we.
Hey guys, it's already 5.
No, it's already 4:50.
It's already 4:50 p.m. guys, and unfortunately we were not able to swim sa
Beach.
okay, low tide. I think mga alas 8 pa na siya mo high tide. Yeah, and ang gibuhat rin nag-TikTok lang. By the way guys, for those of you who want to visit JCAD, their entrance fee here is 50 pesos for adult and 25 pesos for kids. And also, nash sila Corkage guys. If magdala mo og food, you need to pay 100 pesos. That's for all the dishes na inyong kuanon kanang dalhon. Dili siya by item. Ay nay bay uban na resort na kanang by item ang charge. Diri 100 ra. Di ba amazing kayo?
And then sa ilahang kuan sa water kuan nila. About silang Waterpark. Waterpark.
Oh yeah, ang ilahang water kanang night floating guys kay kanay guys oh. Kana 250 pesos for adults and then 200 pesos for kids. That's for weekends. For weekdays guys, if ganahan mo na mo adto dito, magduwa mo sa ilang floating mo na kuan, water park. So that's 200 pesos for adults and 150 pesos for kids.
Yeah, so cheaper, 50 pesos cheaper siya kung weekdays.
Yes.
So mas nindot kung dire mo sa weekdays. You're so pretty.
I'm so happy guys na nadiri akong uyab kay who would have thought na during my birthday and after my birthday celebration kay naghapon siya. Thank you Lord.
So happy also guys kay nag pa na ko siya. And yeah, you know what they say, there's always a reason behind everything. So yun, told you na guys. Nadyo purpose na tanong pangitabo sa atong life. So, unsa man nga ako, ano yung nga vlog ko, ano kanang...
So that would be all guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, please hit the notification bell below so you'll be notified. And also guys, please make sure to follow my other social media accounts. I have Instagram and Facebook. My Instagram is @IamDaisy and my Facebook page is Daisy. And also, please subscribe to my boyfriend's YouTube channel. That's
Jude Rico.
yes guys. Always remember that every day is a chance to see the beauty of God's creations, and
Always seize the day.
thank you so much for watching.
Bye.
Bye.